Hi everybody, it's Driver Milk. I'm going to go ahead and play our favorite game here. And got a crisp 100 to throw in there. And we're going to go ahead and shoot this through. My main purpose here, I hate to say it, is I'm at Gold Dust West in Reno, Nevada. And it's senior day. Trying to earn some points so I can get my free meal and ticket to the drawings. So I come in every Wednesday morning and play a little bit. That's what we're gonna see today here. So I think we'll start at 5 cents and go $1.25. There's a good line here. It's a nice day here in Reno today, so. Oh, look at all this space though, my. Well, I got fireworks up top. Let's see what we got out of this here. This is my favorite out of these games here. You can see this one here is kind of maxed out. Everybody's been playing the hell out of it. I kind of don't care. I just play because I like the space one. So I like this one the best. There's a Chuco right next to it, and there's a whole row of them here, so it's fun to play them. I got my camera adjusted properly there. So what did that do for us? Oh, it made us a couple dollars here. You're getting me good today. Oh, that's nice. Oh, my. All right. I'm getting a lot of line hits. So I think we're gonna take a chance here. We're gonna go up to 10 cents. And we're gonna go to $5. Oh man, look at that. Let's try it again. One more time. Oh, let's go back down. Oh. No, that's okay. Made a little money and had to give it a try there. Oh, we didn't get the third one. That's too bad. So, we're getting close here. if you're hearing a click when I push the button, it's not the button. I have a counter, so I'm counting my spins. Because on these machines, I like to know when I get to 80 spins. If I get that far before I get a bonus. Or free spins or something of that nature. I've already had some pretty good line hits already. Come on there. Well, if I want a chance at the major or the mini or whatever, then I need to at least get a bonus to get in there. So, come on, Mr. Lightning. Oh, the machine's being kind of stingy today, huh? Look at this. But, oh well. This is not handing it out to me today, is it? Sorry. Oh, we got a bunch of spacemen. We got J's across the top. We'll see what we get here. Oh, we got fireworks. Yippee! At least I've got a little respect out of the machine, huh? Okay, well, I think that was worth $32. Wow. Nice. I'm on spin 60. And I'm $4 over what I have in. So we're going to proceed. And I still haven't got a bonus out of this thing. A lot of line hits. Well, I didn't want this to be a long video today, so I was just going to go a little ways with this, just out of interest to see if we could make it pop or get something. But we have got some good line hits out of it. That's been pretty interesting. Old Chuko just blew up next to me there. God, I hope he didn't get any on me. All right, finally got one. And just for curiosity, in my counter, when I counted it, it was exactly 80. And I go 30 to 80, so that's kind of weird in itself. Well, let's go get our 10 here and find out what happens. Oh, come on, give us some balls, please. We need a bonus and a bonus, just for grins. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Boy, nothing yet. That might be worth something. Boy. Well, we're on spin 5. I hope we don't get a nothing burger here. And $10. Come on, come on. Give us 6 of those. Don't be so stingy. I'm going to start crying in a minute here. 9. Oh, damn. One more. Got one spin to get. Oh, no. I did not get like it. So, I went 80 spins to $1.25. And that's minus 3 spins at $5 a piece. Right? And I get a bonus. And I equal 96 cents. Well, times 5. Boy, what a hit, huh? Well, let's do some gray spins and I guess get out of here. That was disappointing at the best. Well, there you go. So in the end, it cost me $20 to go that far. And that's as far as I'm going. I don't feel like going anymore. Subscribe, like, help us out. Thank you very much for watching. And have a wonderful day.